In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate aesthetic AI captions in Filmora. If you want your videos to look polished and be easier to follow, especially for viewers watching without sound, AI captions are a fast, reliable way to get there. We'll walk through the entire flow from a fresh start, and I'll share simple tips so your captions look clean, on brand, and easy to read. Begin by opening Filmora. Once it loads, start with New Project. This gives you a clean workspace and ensures everything you add is organized on a fresh timeline. With your project open, it's time to bring in your footage. Click to import a video, then select the clip you'll be working on. Clear audio helps the caption generator recognize speech more accurately, so pick a recording with minimal background noise if possible. After importing, drag the video to the editing area. You'll see it appear on the timeline, which is where Filmora will analyze your audio and place captions. Give the clip a quick play to confirm the sound is coming through clearly and that you've got the right portion of your video in place. Next, click on Titles. This is where Filmora stores text tools and, importantly, the caption features. Inside Titles, select AI Captions and then choose the Dynamic Caption option. Dynamic captions are designed to feel modern and engaging, using motion and styling that follow your dialogue while staying legible. They're an easy way to add visual flair without extra keyframing. Now click on Generate. Filmora will scan your audio and automatically create captions that sync with your speech. Depending on the length of your clip, this may take a moment. When it's done, you'll see caption segments aligned to your timeline, timed to match your words. After generating, you can also edit the caption style to make it fit your video's aesthetic. Adjust the font to match your brand vibe, tweak size for readability on both desktop and mobile, and pick colors that stand out against your footage. If your background is busy, add a subtle background box or a soft drop shadow so the text remains clear without overwhelming the frame. You can reposition captions lower or higher to avoid covering important visuals and fine-tune spacing and alignment for a balanced look. Explore the dynamic animation settings to keep movement smooth and consistent from line to line. Finally, scrub through and preview your video to ensure the style feels cohesive and the captions remain easy to read throughout. That's it. Open Filmora, start a new project, import and place your video, head to Titles, choose AI Captions with the dynamic style, generate, and then refine the look. You'll have aesthetic, professional captions in minutes.